Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to explain you JEE Mains chemistry, physical chemistry, very important topics. In this physical chemistry, the first one mold concept in that we learn atomic mass or molecular mass. We can say it as atomic mass or we can say it as molecular mass. A mass of one atom or molecule is called as atomic mass or molecular mass. So the mass of one atom or molecule we can call it as atomic mass or molecular mass. So if its unit will be AMU, that is atomic mass unit. Okay, AMU is the question they will ask. Means if they ask what is the unit, what will be the unit of atomic mass or molecular mass, it will be AMU. You have to write. Okay. Example also they are given. One is they are given oxygen is 16 AMU atomic mass unit or atom, and H2O is 18 AMU or molecule. So one molecule is equal to Na, that is Na, its formula, its value is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, and one atomic mass unit is equal to 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 gram. So the formula is 1 atomic mass unit is equal to 1 by Na, that is 1 by the value that they have given, Na value, that is equal to gram. After the atomic mass or molecular mass, the next concept here is the molar mass. So molar mass, it is the mass of one mole entities. The mass of one mole entities is called as molar mass. The mole of one mole atom, the mass value of one mole atom is called as gram atomic mass, GAH, and the mass of one mole molecule is called as gram molecular mass. So mole mass and mole atom mass and mole molecule mass is different. Okay, both are different. Now see, if here is equal to one, let us take oxygen is equal to 16 AMU, that is atomic mass unit or atom. It is the atomic mass value. If we tell that only 16 gram per mole, then it is the molar mass value. Okay, this is the difference between the gram atomic mass and gram molecular mass. Now let us solve some of the problem based on this molar mass, atomic mass, molecular mass. So the first question that they have asked here is to calculate molar mass of electron in kilogram per mole. So therefore electron, that is equal to 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. So therefore it is equal to 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 into Na value, that is kg per mole. So in the second question they asked calculate mass of 1000 carbon dioxide in H2O, in kg. So CO2 is equal to 44 is the value. So first 44 atomic mass unit by molecule, atomic mass unit or molecule. So 44 into 1000 AMU. So that value is 44 into 1000 into 1 by Na gram. Na value you know, if you calculate it you will get the answer. So a difference, that is mole is equal to number by Na or mole is equal to mass by molar mass. The difference is there here, mole sometimes. Now for ideal gas formula, PV is equal to N or T. Here N is the mole of gaseous particle P is the atmosphere, T is the Kelvin, V is the liter, and R is the value, that is 0.0821 atomic liter per mole Kelvin. So now N is equal to PV by RT. So N is equal to V by RT by P. So therefore it is equal to V into L by 22.4. So P is equal to 1 atom. P is 1 atom. T is equal to 273. So 1 atom is the value we get after calculating this is 1.01 bar. At system temperature and pressure condition, P is equal to 1 bar, T is equal to 273. Here P is equal to 1 atom we have taken here. Now P is equal to 1 bar we are taking. So therefore N is equal to V by RT by P is equal to V into L by 22 by 7. This value we will get there. Okay. Now calculate the mole of atom in 22.4 milliliter. Sorry, 22.4 mole CO2 at 1 atom at 273 Kelvin. So N is equal to VL by 22.4. So 22.4 by, here is also they have given V is 22.4 by L 100 1 mole. So that is equal to 22.4. 22.4 will get cancelled. So therefore it is equal to 1 by 100. So 1 mole of CO2 is equal to 1 by 100. 3 mole of CO2 is equal to 1 by 100 into 300, that is equal to 3 by 3 by 100. So this is the answer for the question that they have given. Now if we go to our next question, that next question that is they asked is calculate the mole of electron, that is 16 gram O to the power minus 2 minus O minus 2 they have given ion. Mole of O minus 2, O is 16, so that is equal to 16 by 16, that is equal to 1 mole. So mole of electron, that is equal to 1 mole. Okay, so mole value is 1 mole. So therefore we have got the answer, that is 1 mole of electron. Now they have asked us to calculate mole of oxygen atom in 5 mole of Na2CO3 into 10H2O. So 1 mole of oxygen is equal to 13 they have given. Okay, 1 mole of oxygen is 13. 5 moles of oxygen is 13 into 5, that is 65 moles is the answer we get. Calculate the mole of oxygen atom in 5 mole. Okay, oxygen atom. So here 1 2 3. So therefore 1 2 it is, so it will be 13 1 mole. They asked first to calculate the mole of oxygen atom in 5 moles, right? So 5 moles of oxygen is equal to 13 into 5 value, that is equal to 65 moles. So our next concept in this is the stoich the stoichiometry of chemical reaction. Here the again is N2 plus 3H2, that is we get 2NH3. So here, so here N2 is there, and here 3H2, that is 2 and NH2, and here 6, 3 to the 6, right? Here see, 2 and the 2, 3 the 6. Yes, the reaction is correct. Now if you see here, they have given first 1 mole, here 3 moles of H2O, and here 2 moles, right? In this, only for gaseous compounds, if you see 1 atom, 3 atoms they are given, and 2 atomic atoms also they are given. That is V is equal to C, T is equal to C also they are given. So, and also if you say in gas 1 liter, 3 liter, and here 2 liter also you can say. Now if they come to the question, here they have asked A plus 2B. Yeah, they have given example A plus 2B is 3C. So if 5 moles of B is taken with excess amount of A, then we have to calculate the volume of C, that is product at the at the stoichiometry. So now A they have given it is excess, and 2B there the 5 moles B value they again 5 moles have to take, that gives um, C your volume you have to find out. So if you into the place this 5 if you multiply it will become 3 5 15, so 15 by 2 if we make divided. So the produced mole of C is 15 by 2. If we take N is equal to V by 22 by 7, the formula we got in the starting, then we can take that and we can put that value. Now 2x plus 3y gives 2z. They have asked 7 moles. So the mole of Z is equal to Z mole is 2 by 3 into 7. That is equal to 14 by 3 is the answer we'll get. So this is the answer. Now 2a plus 5b, here 40% they are given in the arrow. So 7c. So mole of 7c is equal to 7 by 2 into 10. 7 by 2 we are making into 10, that is equal to 35 mole. So mole of C is equal to 35 into 40 by 10. So cancelling, if you do all of this, where we can cancel, then if we multiply it we will get 14 moles. This is the answer. So here is plus 2 is 3G. This is the limiting agent 2B. So limiting reagent, what is limiting reagent means? The reactant is the consumer. So the reactant is the consumed is in the reaction called limiting reagent. So the amount of product is determined according to the limited reagents in the reaction. So what is the amount of product we get? It is determined we get according to the how much of the reagent, limited reagent we have put to the reactions. By that we will get that much of product. So reactant which have minimum value of mole like stoichiometric efficient will work as limited reagent. So the reactant that has more number of moles will, and the stoichiometric efficiency it will work as the limiting reagent. Now question, if we see 2x plus y, limiting reagent is 2x, it gives 3z, so 5 mole there. Okay, it is the 5 mole and here 4 moles is the y. So mole of Z is 3 by 2 into 5 into 50 by 100. If we do, it will get value as 15 by 2 into 5 by 10. That is equal to 15 by 4 is the answer we'll get. Okay. Now next question that they have given is N2 plus 3H2. So here 3H2 is the limiting reagent, that we get is 2NH3. So here N2 is the 8 atoms, it has 3H2, it has H2 is a 4 atom. So we have to calculate the pressure of NH3 and also calculate. So mole of NH3 is 2 by 3 into 5 mole, that is equal to 10 to the power 10 by 3 mole. Now NH3, if we see 3 minus 11 by 3, that is equal to, we'll get after calculating all this we'll get 5 by 3. So 3 minus 5 by 3, that is equal to 4 by 3. So remaining pressure of NH3 is 4 by 3, the pressure that we get. So now total pressure is 10 by 3 plus 4 by 3. Total pressure is, here we get is 10 by 3. Here we got mole NH3. This is the total pressure. and 10 by 3 is the total. This is a total pressure, and NH3 remaining pressure, that is 4 by 3, that we have to add. So therefore it will be 4 by 3 is the answer. And in the next question they are asked, Li2O react to a react of Li with O2 if initially 14 gram Li is taken 32 gram O2, then we have to calculate the produced amount of Li2O in the grams. In grams, how much amount of Li2O is produced, we have to calculate. Now Li plus O2 is equal to LiO2. Okay, so now 2 LiO2 plus 1 by 2 O2 will get 2 LiO. So one is 14 gram and another one is 13 gram will get. Now limiting reagent. So 2 Li is the limiting reagent plus 1 by 2 O2, it gives LiO2 was 14 by 7 is equal to 232 by 32, that is equal to 1. Okay, so that is the value or the answer we'll get. We got LiO2 that we are finding in the reactant. How we got LiO2 here I have explained, right? Now in the next reaction that they given, 2 Li, it is the limiting reagent, plus 1 by 2 O2 is equal to LiO2. After this we have to also find the moles. So how much moles? So a mole of LiO is 1 by 2 into 2, 2 will get cancelled, so therefore 1 mole is the answer. The mole they are asked here in the question, 1 mole is the answer for this question. Now in next question they are asked, H2O2 hydrogen peroxide is produced by reaction of H2 with O2 in a container of 5 gram H2O is taken with 32 gram O2. Then we have to calculate the mass of H2O2 is. What is the mass of H2O2? So H2 plus O2. So H2 is 5 gram. O2 is 32 gram. O2 is the limiting reagent. We will get H2O2. So 5 by 2 mole. 32 by 32 mole. So 5 by 2 it is 2.5 mole. 32 by 32 mole it is 1 mole. So mole of H2O we have to find now. 1 by 1 into 1, that is equal to 1. So 1 into 80, here 80% they are given in the question. Calculate mass of H2O is 80%. 80% they are given. So 1 into 80 by 100, that is equal to 8 by 10, that is equal to 0.8 mole is the answer for this. Now moving on to our next question. A plus 2B react. So 2C will get 2C plus 3D. So A is the mole we don't know. B is 5 mole. So 2D plus 3C gives F plus 2G. So we have to calculate produce mole of G. What is the mole that G produce? Now A plus 2B. 2B is the limiting reagent 50%. So 2C plus 3D. So here A is 3 mole, 2B is 5 mole, 2C is also 5 mole, and 3D is 15 by 2 mole. So now the mass of C we have to find, that is 2 by 2 into 5, 2 get cancelled, so 1. So 1 by 1 into 5, that is equal to 5. Next 5 into 50 by 100, that is equal to 0, 0 get cancelled. 5 is 25, so 25, or 5 by 15, so therefore it is equal to 5 by 2 is the answer we'll get. Now mole of D also we have to find, so 3 by 2 into 5, 15 by 2. So 15 by 2 into 80 by 100 we have to find. The second one 80. Here 50% they are given. One is reaction they are given 50%, another is the 30% they are given. So 50% and 30% we are taking. So the percentage it is there. So if we convert, it will get the value that they are given, like 30, 50 they are given. So 50 by 100 will get. So 15 by 2 into 30 by 100. Uh, so then so 2 is a 50 by 100 only. Right? So 2 is a yes, okay. 2 is a 4. So yes, it is 15 by 4. Now 2d plus 3c gives f plus 2g. So 15 by 4 mole 2d is 3c is 5 by 2 mole. Now mole of g is 2 by 2 into 15 by 4, that is equal to 15 into 2 will get cancelled, 15 by 4. So 15 by 4 into 30 by 10 g we have to find, and here for finding g they are given 30%, right? So 30 so yes here. So 15 by 4 into 30 by 7, 30 by 100 is equal to 9 by 8 is the answer. Now question x plus 2y gives 3p plus 4z 42. So 4q gives 2p plus z and z gives p. So 5 moles of 5 is taken with excess amount of x given x. Then we have to calculate the total produced mole of p taking the. So let us continue here from my next video. 15 year auto dumping and I think you understand. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Bye, my dear friends.